Hi, my name's Angela, and as part of the Cooking at Home with City Catering series, I'm going to make you some butternut squash cookies. So I've got all the ingredients here. Okay, so first of all, we're going to put our butter that's been out at room temperature just to soften it a bit, and our sugar in a bowl, and then we're going to just with a spoon soften that in with the sugar. Okay, so you've creamed the butter and sugar together. Now we're going to add the flour, pop it all in, and the oats. And you can continue to use a spoon, or you can get your hands in there, which I'm probably going to do because it's quicker. Mix that all in. Okay, so we're going to add in our butternut squash. There goes. And some ground cinnamon. About half a teaspoon. Ooh. And then we want to mix that through, mix it well in. The butternut squash is quite watery, so it gives it a bit more moisture to the dough. Okay, so it's all mixed in, ready for rolling. So I'm going to put a little bit of flour on my hands so it doesn't stick to my hands. I'm just going to make about 10 balls. Okay, and you place them on a baking tray. You can either lightly grease your baking tray, or you can line it, as I have done, with baking parchment paper. Okay, once they're on your tray, and flatten them with the palm of your hand. I'm going to pop them in the oven, 180 degrees for approximately about 10 minutes until they're crisp and golden. Okay, so I'm just going to check on my cookies. And yeah, they're looking pretty good. Okay, so there we have it. Butternut squash cookies with cinnamon. You could also put mixed spice in there. You could put ground ginger in there. You could put some dried fruit in there instead of the squash if you wanted to get fruit into your children. Fun way for them to learn to cook as well. Doesn't take too long. I hope you enjoy it.